It's time to start planning those graduation parties. If you are wanting some graduation decorations that are easy to set up, can easily be interchanged or used in versatile ways, and are attractive, then check these out. These were gifted to me from the seller to review, and I was really impressed to see how much came with these. They come folded up with easy to follow pictured instructions, though they are pretty self-explanatory. These even have wired lights that can be manipulated however you choose. I first put the light on-off panel on the outside of the box, thinking it would be easier to turn them on and off, and then I remembered that these boxes have something on each side of them and that the light panel would be easily seen if I kept them on the outside of the box. I ended up taping it to the upper inside. I also taped the wire along the inside of the box, but like I said, this set is super versatile, so you can design it however you want to. This comes with sticky tabs to put the outside numbers and words on the boxes. This comes with many balloons and in so many different colors and styles that perfectly match the boxes and the other decorations of this set. The balloons come in different sizes from very large to very small, so you can fill these boxes the way you want to. This also comes with ribbon, balloon holder type ribbon, as well as balloon glue dots. Balloon glue dots are my favorite to use when decorating with balloons. They're basically a strong double-sided tape that keep the balloons in the position you place them in. I was pleasantly surprised with the durability of these. Not only did I maneuver these throughout my home and in different positions to be able to showcase each side of the boxes, but I also have a toddler who knocked these down, and even with that force, they didn't open or become damaged in any way. This graduation decoration kit is great. I love that it also came with the lights inside and the many different balloons and the overall versatility of these. If you have a graduation party coming up, I highly recommend these.